What's up guys, Brandon Nagy here at Sunnyside Mitsubishi here in Middleburg Heights. I want to show you guys the new Outlander Sport SE. The Outlander Sport 2020s have a whole new look to it, even upgraded to LED lights in the front. This Outlander Sport is just like your ex-boyfriend or ex-girlfriend. It has a spare tire, but it's not on the stomach. It's in the back. And this pumpkin spice flavored latte looking color of a car will have all the girls glancing at you when you drive by. Some of the new features in this car are amazing. They upgraded the seats, and another great upgrade is the bigger touchscreen display. Another great thing that benefits you greatly about the new Outlander Sport SE, that it has great safety features. It has the backup camera, blind spot warnings, front collision mitigation, and so much more awesome stuff in this car. And I also did tell you a little bit about some of the features that are in this car. I already told you that it does have the heated front seats, which of course we live in Ohio, so you get all 4 seasons in one day. And it also has the voice recognition system, so when your mom calls you and tells you that the brownies are done from the oven, you could get there as fast as possible. If you want any more information about this new 2020 Outlander Sport SE, come see me here at Sunnyside Mitsubishi.